Hey guys, in this short video you will learn how to hide or turn off your last scene in WhatsApp. This is very necessary for your privacy. If you don't want to show anyone your last scene, you can use this privacy setting. So let's start the video. You have to open your WhatsApp in your mobile phone. Then click on the three dots in the right top corner of the page. Here you have to go to your settings. Now click on the privacy option. Here you can see many options. You just have to click on the last seen and online option. There are multiple options. If you want to show your last seen to everyone, you just have to click on this first option. If you just only want to show your contacts to your last seen, then you can click on this option. If you want to show your contacts but don't want to show to some people, then you have to click on and you can select the contacts which you don't want to show. Then if you don't want to show anyone to your last scene, then you have to click on nobody. So in this way you can hide your last scene. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.